So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download PPSP, how to install PPSP app on your Android phone, how to find the files, how to find the game files, or on how to extract the game files. Also, I'm going to tell you how to set the games on your phone on the PSP app that will make it work and look perfect on it. So on today's video, we'll be searching for the PPSP 2025 football version on this phone. So the app I'll be using will be Chrome. I'll be choosing Chrome for it. That is the app I'll be using to find the video. You are going to know how to download this and start playing PPSP on your phone and any app, any games you want on your phone without even paying a dime. So see you guys. Let's dive in. So firstly, what you want to do when you want to download the PSP, you first download the PPSP app, which is this. So there are two versions, one is the silver and one is the gold. So the gold version is the paid version, so we'll be going with the free version, which is the PPSP silver. So you come to this is the app I used to download it, your Play Store, and search for PPSP. So automatically going to show you the one available for free, which is the gold version. So I already have this version on my phone. So if you haven't have this version, this is what you're going to do. So you're going to press download and you're going to load, and after downloading will show you to play. And it's going to show you that you can play the game. So when you tap it here, you're going to have this on your phone. Probably no, you aren't going to have all this game. What you are going to see when you download this game is something like this. Yeah, something and empty shot just like this. Even probably it could be worse than this. So you have to do now is to leave, minimize here, and come to your Chrome or any browser on your phone and just search for Ppsspp football football game football family zip zip code. This way they are going to give you like different sites when you can download the PPSP files of football. So you can just put zp code zp code, or you can also put something like iOS ISO ISO file. Okay, ISO file. Okay. ISO file, something like this. 2025, any year you want. So I'm just going for the 2025 one. I'm not going to press like this. So there are many sites like this text thing. There are so many sites. This is Moodfire. There are many sites to download, but the one I prefer is this text site. Yeah, there are different years of football, like you can see it, PSP 2025, PS 2025 PSP ISO. You can see this is the album of the PS. So you are just going to scroll down to where it says download. Right here. So right here there are what's that? So it's going to give you an instruction on how to download it. Yeah, this is it. As for now, use PPSP Emulator version 1.1 1.18.1 to run this game because of no sound and commentary issue. But there is a solution for those with latest version PSP Emulator. Just follow the setting. So this is if you didn't have the latest version of the PSP app silver. But me, I was really using the old version, but as when I wanted to download this game, after downloading the game, I went to update the app. So there are two versions here on the game. This is the normal camera, and this right here is the PS5 camera. So the difference between this is that if you download this one, when you are playing the game, it might just look like this. While for the PS5 camera, when you are playing the game, it's going to look like this, which is very wide that you can see everybody on the game. Everybody, you can see them. So you're just going to press like anyone you want. You're just going to tap it like this. When you tap, it's going to be directed to this site called Mediafire. So Mediafire, all you have to do is to just press download right here, and it's going to start. Because I already have the game, I don't want to download it, but let me just show you how it's going to look like. Okay, you see your downloading is starting. You just quickly, you see, it's telling me to download it again. Like it's counting me if I want to download it again. That is, I already have the file, so I'm going to press cancel because I don't want to download it again. So if you need it in you need download to fast also, you can just pick either this or you need the fast version to make it fast when downloading. So you can this is yeah, this is the file here that I've downloaded. So this is it in my phone. So you have to come and just look okay, how to install the game. Right here they are telling you how to install the game using GArchiver. Locate where you download the PSP from and extract it. So after you have downloaded the PSP, so what you have to do is just come to GArchiver, this app right here. You're also going to download it if you haven't have it. You're also going to download it. So I'm just clicking on it. So where I download my phone file, I'm just going which is download. I'm just looking for the file right here. So this is the file. So you're going to click on the phone. You click on the file, it's going to show you different settings. This is view, extract here, extract to GArchiver name, extract text and compress. So you're going to shoot on extract. Don't shoot on extract here, shoot on extract and click on this place. Take it to device storage and come right. You can also do it in like extract here, but I usually use Zender. Put it on Zender and enter order, just press extract and start to extract. So why it's showing me like this? Because the game is already in my phone, so I don't need to duplicate it. If not, I'll just click apply and press replace. So but if you haven't downloaded it, if you haven't extracted it, so this is how it's going to just show you. Let me just use something like, let me just try it. So let me just show you. You just click it and just press extract and it start extracting. See, we'll wait for it to extract finish before going to the app. So when this has finished loading, let me consider. So when it's finished loading, you can then leave here and go to the app. Yeah. So probably you won't see it like this. So all you're going to do is to come to here where it says browser. Yeah, click on browser and select the folder you're going to use. Actually, it's going to show you folders like this. So you're going to click on the folder the game is. Like my folder is actually on Zender. I'm going to use this folder which is Zender. So you just come here. It's going to show you things like this. So you will click on order where you have installed when you have extracted the game. So this is the location where I extracted my game. You can just see the game. This is the game right here. So this is how the game looks like. Let me just pick a team. Like I usually like giving my grade for my team. So that's the global support. And also let me give back to we're going to do a quick test run of the game on how the game looks like. So if you were to download the normal camera, the game is actually going to look like this. But since PS5 camera version I use, this is how the game looks like. You can actually zoom it like this or even wider like this. So you can use this version.
Has already started. We're talking a genuinely stylish player here in Frank Michael. I can't argue with that, Jim. No, I've got to totally agree with every word you just said. As holding midfielders go, he is one of the very best. Nothing phases him. Rafinha! Comes up with what could have been a great finish. Oh, it just wouldn't sit for him. Swung over into the middle. He was relieved to see that disappear wide. Well, he showed great desire to get his head to that, Peter, and the crowd certainly improved.
Just in case you stick from the start of the video to the end, we can actually now know how to download the PSP on your phone. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Please like and subscribe this video so YouTube can push it to more users who may need this video. Thank you once again.